Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the Myanmar dress. The tradition attire of Burma is a somber elegance and culture. In this video I'll take you on a journey to explore the beauty and significance of Burma dress. The Burma dress has been integral and traditional clothing of centuries. Its origin date back to the ancient pagan, where men and women wear simple unstitched piece of cloth around their waist. There are several types of each with its unique design pattern and significance. The most popular one are the logging hamlin cut of footage people wearing traditional dress. Burma dress are the nice designs, are the nice colors. Burma's culture in logging is not just a piece of clothing, it's a symbol of identity, tradition and community. It's worn on special occasions like festival, wedding and ceremonies. Cut of footage, modern Burma's fashions, designing modern wearing, contemporary logging. Burma dress is the unlimited design, unlimited colors. It's a symbol, identity, tradition, and community. It's worn on special occasions like festival, wedding, and ceremonies. Cut or footage of modern Burma dress fashion, designing model wearing belonging. Today, Burma fashion designers are experimenting with new designs, pattern, and new, giving the traditional longing or modern twist. Ultra music start playing, camera pans out to show a beautiful Burma dress. And that wrap on your journey through the world of Burma dress. We hope you enjoy learning about the history, significance, and beauty of logging. Outdoor music continue to play as the video ends. Would you like me to any page or add anything too specific to the Burma dress? Also please let me know need any modification, or if you don't like to generate a longer Burma dressing. Keep in mind one hour videos typically be around considering a modern pace. Let me know, I assist futures. Here is the format, feel free to ask for any additions. Burma dress is a light color and the nice color and the nice design is the 100 designs are purchased on my YouTube channel. If you enjoy in this video, would you like I share, subscribe and more.